it's just her world and I'm just living in it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'd love to have you, so don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, a little bit of everything. Okay, this is gonna be a weekly vlog. I vlogged bits and pieces of my days throughout the week. Honestly, I'm not really sure what this vlog is gonna be given, but I filmed it, so I'm gonna share. I always end up filming stuff, never posting, so I'm gonna try to stop. But I did an intro before and it wasn't giving, so I'm doing the intro and outro now because I look cute. So if you guys want to see what I got up to this past week, then definitely keep on watching.
I forgot to grab my camera, so I have my phone, and I have my cooler bag, which is what I use for pumping on the go and storing milk and stuff. And I also got some stuff from Merritt. If you guys don't know, Merritt is like a cosmetic brand that's their whole focus is like minimalist, doing a very minimal work but still looking put together, looking clean, looking good. Okay, and I've already done stuff for them on my channel. I have a link, all that stuff. I'll have my link down below. When I get home, I'll show you the stuff. It's just in this bag right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go run some errands. I do have a free drink reward, so I may stop and grab that. My car is beeping, but I had to do that. Like, somebody's whole tire fell off the road. Anyways, yeah. So I have a free drink reward, so I'm gonna grab that. Treat myself. Last night, Aaliyah woke up at like for her 3 o'clock meeting, and she didn't go back to sleep until about 6 o'clock, which used to happen before. She would wake up at like either 2 or 3, and then she wouldn't go back to sleep until close to 5, and then it stopped happening for a while, and it was more so like during the daytime she was struggling for her naps, or she would struggle to go down for bedtime, like, so she would go to bed really late. But you know, I mean, I guess it's like back and forth, you know, you take what you get. Every day is very different. As much as it seems like every day is the same and it's all like so routine and it's the same stuff over and over, every day is very different. Sir, what are you doing? Don't make me drive fast. And I cannot believe she's gonna be 2 months old on Monday. Like, what? Time flies, I swear. And when I look at her pictures from when she was first born to now, she definitely has grown and changed, and I'm just like, why is it going so fast, you know? But yeah, I was gonna get her this cute little outfit and do like a not Target, the outfit's from Target, but I was gonna do like a cute little picnic thing. I may still do the picnic, but I don't think I need the outfit because I have so many clothes for her. Like, I've just talked myself out of it. Hey guys, good morning. So today is Thursday. It is 10:20 in the morning. Yesterday, after telling you guys I was gonna run errands and stuff, I really didn't even pick the camera back up. I'm on my way to Bye Bye Baby right now. I just need to pick up some more saline spray, like the one from Frida Baby. I got it with her kit, like the full kit, like with the tube and the spray and the filters and stuff, but we're out of the spray. We pretty much use it every day. So I might get 2 actually, just to have a backup when one runs out. And then I also want to get her some cleansing water. I got a sample of that in one of my registry boxes. It's like the Mustela cleansing water, and I actually really like it, and we're all out. So I'm going to get some more of that. It's like a no rinse cleanser. I feel like it's really just water. But anyways, yeah. Oh wait, I might have had a coupon for that. I hate that for me. I do, because I could have brought it. It's whatever. I have coupons in my Bye Bye Baby account regardless, but I think I had a specific coupon for that product, so I feel like I would have been able to save extra money. But yeah, I'm already 4 minutes in and I haven't been talking about anything. Oh my god, what a girl can ramble, Jesus. And then on my way back, I'm gonna stop and grab a few things. Not even a few things, literally 2 things. I don't know if today's gonna be an editing day or a cleaning day, or honestly neither of the 2, because we'll see what Aaliyah wants to do. Okay, that's my tiny boss right now. I'm just her. It's just her world and I'm just living in it. Y'all, I've really been trying to work on my road rage, and I've also had a little bit of driving anxiety, I think. Well, honestly, let me not say driving anxiety. I just think I have postpartum anxiety, because I just, on the road, Like, I'm extra cautious. Like, I was cautious before, but I'm even more so cautious now, because it's just nothing is worth it, you know what I mean? On my P's and Q's, even more so than I was before. At first, like the first time I had to drive, like, obviously I've been in the car, but the first time I had to drive myself in the car with her, I was kind of like, this is curbside. Yikes, this is curbside. I could have parked by the one beside the curbside, because that's something I like about Bye Bye Baby, is that they have parking spots that are specifically for new moms and expecting moms. I feel like that should be a thing at every store. But yeah, the first time I had to drive in the car with her by myself, it was something. I have a really good poker face, so nobody around me would have been able to tell, like, she doesn't feel comfortable driving by herself with the baby. But yeah. You guys can hear that, that's the air, so please ignore it. But I have not done anything since my little clip that I had this morning, where I told you guys I was either gonna clean up or do some editing, or, you know, just different things that I wanted to do. Nothing got done. After I picked up my order from Walgreens, I grabbed that, and then once I got in, I had to feed her, change her, all the things. I ate my lunch, and then she was having a really hard time going down for her nap, and yeah. So it was lots of rocking, lots of laying down, lots of snuggles, all that stuff. And then when she did go down for her nap and I put her in her bassinet and everything, she woke right back up. So I got her, and pretty much she wanted to lay on my chest for a while. I think she kept holding out on her nap just to see if I was gonna, like, hold her or put her down or whatever. So we both ended up taking a nap. It was very short, but we both ended up taking a nap. And then she woke up, ate again. You know, she did go down for like an hour, I would say, after that. And yeah, now she's up again. She's right here just staring at me, talking to the camera. She's probably wondering who I'm talking to. But y'all, I don't know, I feel like something that I want to touch on, and I don't know if I'm gonna, you know, talk about it at some point, a whole different video, but it's the whole pumping and nursing. I definitely understand why a lot of people choose one or the other. Either they exclusively breastfeed or they exclusively pump, because trying to be on a schedule for pumping while you're also breastfeeding, it's definitely a lot, because babies cluster feed, they comfort feed, all that stuff. So in between all that, I literally don't know when to pump, if that makes sense. Like, I don't think I have time to pump. I have to consistently remind myself I cannot compare myself to people who are exclusively pumping, because it looks like they have such a huge stash and they're getting so much milk and all that stuff, but they are not also putting the baby to the breast. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do both, so it's gonna look different for me and all that stuff. But yeah, I just finished importing all my footage onto my external hard drive, a new one again. I'm over it, truly over it. I feel like this is not even worth it. But that's another story for another day. Right now it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday, June 24th. I'm on my way to go get my groceries. I placed the order for pickup for today, and I actually did it 12 to 1 for my pickup window, because I thought that would be perfect time, but we ended up having some last minute stuff to do this morning, and so I'm just now on my way to go get it, which is fine because they technically will hold it until 7. On my way back home, I'm actually going to stop at Giant Eagle and grab a few other things, and I need to basically have an hour to do so, like an hour and a half to get all this stuff done, because whenever I do leave during the days and stuff, I like to be back by 3:30.
Hey guys, so I have not checked in with the vlog at all today, and it's been a day. I had quite the to-do list today. Let's see how many things I was able to get done. I had 7 things on my to-do list for the day, and I was able to get 3 of them done, and then 1 of them I started yesterday and I need to finish up today, so I guess that counts as like a half checkpoint or whatever. So yeah, and 1 of them I'm gonna go do. I just turned my sewing machine on. I didn't mean to do that. 1 of them I'm actually going to make dinner shortly, so I'll be able to do that because I'll be in the kitchen and stuff. But yeah, it's been a day. After Aaliyah woke up for the day, she was having a hard time going down for her morning nap, so I just put her in the bouncer while I was making breakfast. Made breakfast, ate, and then she took a little minute still to go down for her nap, and we both kind of took a nap, like a quick one. And then when she woke up from that, she ate and was up for a little bit, and then she went down for her nap again. And when she went down for that nap, that was like the only proper nap she took for the day, because I was able to go ahead and rearrange some things in this room. Not sure if you guys can tell, but I'm not as close to my shelf anymore. Vacuuming is like that chore that you can always get it done, because babies for some reason like the sound of the vacuum. She woke up and she ate, and she's been up since then. On the days where she struggles to go down for her nap, it does something to me. I don't know, for some reason I just feel like so bad, and I feel like there's something I need to do to get her to go take a nap, because she's tired, and I can see she's tired. She's yawning a lot, rubbing her eyes, all of that, and I just want to help her. But honestly, I'm trying a bunch of different stuff and nothing's working. She's just fighting the sleep really hard. But yeah, those days are really hard for the both of us, because she just wants to be up in arms. Like, I put her in a swing, the bouncer, the whole 9, all that stuff, but the reality is she wants to be held so she can sleep. Once you put her down, it's wraps. We'll go and try to make some dinner and wash some of her bottles. I don't have a lot of bottles to wash, thankfully, but yeah, I'm gonna go do that. And yeah, keep turning on the sound machine, like I need to move it from right here. But anyways, not me knocking over everything. So there's that. I was able to do my hair. It honestly took so long, longer than it should have, but that's because like I said, she wasn't napping, so I was able to shower and do half of my head. She was up and everything, but by the time I was done with one half, she was getting restless. So yeah, but I used the pattern mousse. Y'all, it's so good. Like, I really like this mousse. And whenever I get a good wash day, like good wash and go these days, I'm like, you know what, maybe I don't want to cut my hair off. But no, I do want to cut my hair off. But yeah, it looks so good, and I really like how it makes my hair look and feel. And I'm excited. Now I want to show you guys the goodies that I got from Merit the other day. I told you guys about these products, but I didn't get a chance to show them to you, so now I'm going to show them. And it comes in this little bag right here. love it. Now I have 2 of them, but yeah. So for the 2 products I already have, I just got different shades of them and then 1 new item, like I said. So I took everything out the boxes already just to make it, you know, flow a little bit better. But I got another one of the Perfecting Complexion Stick. This one is in Tiger's Eye, if you guys can tell, but this is the color that I have, and it is a little bit darker than my complexion. I got this to use as a cream contour because I already have one of these in my shade. So yeah, I'm excited to play around with that. Then I also got another brow pomade. I love this stuff. This one is in black brown. The one I had before was just brown, but this shade matches my hair color so much better. The other one was nice. It was like a natural softer kind of color. It wasn't like black like my hair, but it wasn't as light as like my natural brow, if that makes sense. But this one is just perfect. And then I also got their lipstick. This is new to me. Never tried their lipsticks before. This is their signature lip, and this is in the color Slip, which is like a beautiful nude color. It's so good. Like, I tried this on with no liner or anything, and it just blended into my lip. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Like, look at that. It's like the perfect everyday nude, and I love it. I love it. Okay, it's like a neutral nude too. It's not like too pinky or anything, and it just looks good. I feel like this is a color I could wear by itself, like no liner, no gloss, no nothing, because it's super creamy and comfortable, but it's still giving color payoff. And I also feel like this is a color that I could wear with nothing else on my face, so I love that for me. And then just to see what it's giving, I'm gonna put a little bit of lip oil on top and see how that looks. That's beautiful. And this is a clear lip oil, by the way. The color that you're seeing is from the lipstick. So yeah, I love that. Perfect everyday nude neutral type of color. But yeah, I love Merit products. I've used them before, featured them here on my channel. I do have an affiliate link with them, so I will leave it down below if you guys want to check out any of their products. I love their stuff, and I've consistently used them since I first tried them. Their mascara is one of my favorites. Love the brow pomade, like I mentioned. I also love their cream blush. Like, everything I've tried hits. So I'm excited to continue using their products, to try more of their products that I haven't tried before. And yeah, I'm probably gonna try to do my makeup tomorrow. I'm not sure if we're gonna be successful, but pray for me, y'all. I'm gonna try to do my makeup so I can wrap up the pattern video that I did. It's gonna be a reel, but yeah. guys, so that's the end of this vlog. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below. If you guys want to check out the Merit products, I'll have my link in the description. I'll also have my link down below for Lovevery. You guys can check out their play gyms, play kits, as well as the new attachment that we got. But yeah, if there's anything else you guys need me to link, let me know. If you have any video requests, let me know that as well, and I got you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.